Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but it's lost and hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. 'Cause I usually do stick to the business, but you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love.
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the cooling system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and they got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell. He always in the air, but he never fly out. Yeah, I'm out of drip, drip, seller or the drip, drip. When
Tastemaker, and I know it's been a minute since I've like actually sat down and talked to you guys about a unit that I reviewed, and really it was just because I just wanted to switch it up a little bit. But I feel like when you give people too much of something, they just don't appreciate it as much. So, you know, I like cut back on it. I cut back on it a little bit just so you guys can kind of miss this and miss me doing this, if that makes any sense. But anyways though, you guys, today we are doing a review for Hurela hair. I haven't worked with them in a little while, but they have definitely become like one of my favorite companies this year. I have gotten a lot of units from them, and I really like the quality of the products that they sell. I have yet to receive a unit from them that I did not like, so I definitely recommend them. But today, you guys, we are reviewing this very popular color right now, which is this reddish brown curly unit. I really like this color, especially on my skin tone. I really feel like it really complements me very well, and it definitely can complement a lot of different skin tones. It works for everyone, but I love this color because I feel like it's perfect for this time of year, the winter season, the fall season. This is definitely the bag that we usually like to get into, but you can literally wear this all year round, and I really like the color job that they've done on it. I don't know how I would personally be able to dye a unit this color. Like, I don't even know where to start with what colors to get to even mix together to get this color. So I really do like that they're customizing a lot of these units, and we don't have to color units anymore. I remember when I first started like doing reviews, I definitely like did everything from scratch. I no longer make units anymore just because I'm just a lot more busier now, and that is very time consuming to like sit there with like 4 packs of hair, a closure or a frontal, trying to like sew up all these tracks and do all of that. But units like this is like a time saver. And if you just are, I mean, if you're just bored with, you know, your natural colored hair, you can definitely like try something like this out and just get a new vibe, get a new look, and you're definitely gonna get a lot of compliments on it. Anytime that I wear this color, everybody's like, oh my God, I love your hair. I love the color of your hair. I love that color. So I definitely highly recommend that you try it out if you haven't already. And if you have tried it out already, let me know what you like or don't like about it. But one thing that I will say that I've really been enjoying about this unit is the fact that I didn't have to do much to it. It was very quick and simple and easy. This is definitely one of those units that you don't have to worry about like bleaching the knots and doing all of that. The only thing you would have to do with this unit fresh out of the box is just wash it. Do like a co-wash though, and then rinse that out, let it air dry. Always. This is my key to keeping your hair to look like this, okay? You have to let your units air dry. Do not blow dry your curly units. If you're blow drying your curly units, it's just not gonna have this curl pattern in it. I'm just letting you know that now. I also like the fact that I was able to just use this curling mousse here to help like define the curls a lot more, and it's not like as frizzy as it was before, because when I first started out, you guys saw like the front half was a lot more frizzy, kind of like how this piece is like down here. It wasn't like as like uniform. So this definitely helps bring your curls back to life as well. If you guys want to check this product out, this is what it looks like, but I will also link this down below for anybody who's interested in purchasing. But you can definitely pick this up in your local beauty supply stores. Most beauty supply stores should have this brand. So this is the Cream of Nature brand. Also, I'm pretty sure you guys want to know about the lace on this unit. So the lace for this unit is a transparent lace. Now, transparent lace is great because it literally works for everyone, for all skin tones. One thing that a lot of lighter skin women have an issue with is that when they order units, the lace is too dark for them. So it's like, even if you try to put makeup on it, it's still just too dark. Transparent lace is just a blank canvas, if you will, and it works for everyone. I typically use lace tint spray anytime that I install a unit, and I picked up this one today because this is literally the only color that they had available at the beauty supply store that I went to. There were like 2 other colors, but they were like way too dark. So I was like, okay, do you want to go too light or too dark? I went too light. But it actually works out for me. I'm not mad at it. You know, I feel like the lace is, you know, a little bit more exposed just because I didn't cut that much off. Like here and here, I just didn't cut that much off. There's definitely still like lace there and here, like especially over here, I definitely could have cut like more of this off. But the reason why I didn't is because sometimes when I do that, like I'll like end up taking my foundation off right there, and then it looks crazy. So I just left it as it was, just because this hair is so curly anyway that you literally can't see it. So the color that I have today is light warm brown. It still worked out for me, but I would just say typically I use medium dark brown. So this one is just like 2 shades lighter than that, so it's not like too far off, but I actually prefer using the shade that I like to use. But this one is still great. I do like it. I was worried that it wouldn't work out for me, but it actually worked out just fine. And I really have become like the biggest fan of this product. Like I don't even see myself going back to what I used to do, which was using makeup to just like put on the lace. Like I don't want to do that anymore. Plus it's like really hard sometimes to get like the makeup off of the lace, where this, like when I wash it, like it comes right off. Like the lace will look brand new, you know? So I really do like this product. Highly recommend it. I will link this down below as well for all of you guys who are interested. But this is what the unit is looking like. This unit is a very full unit, as you guys can see. This has to be like 250% density. If they tell me this is 180%, because they send over like the links for the description box, so sometimes like that's why a lot of times I don't really know. This unit is very full, really full. It's definitely like, I'm low-key like getting hot right now with the studio lights and all of this hair, but I want to say that this is like 250% density, y'all. Like this is so thick, like it's so full, but it's so beautiful and still like very defined. Like look at the curls in this hair is just absolutely gorgeous. Like I just love it. You guys know, I think it's a no-brainer by now that curly hair is my favorite hair to wear. I literally wear it every day because it's such like an easy thing to just put on and go. You don't have to like sit there flat ironing all your hair. This only took me literally 10 minutes to do. 10 minutes, okay? If you're in a rush, you gotta go out somewhere, you like right now, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I'm actually about to go to a party after this. It's one of my friend's birthdays. He's turning 28, which is like, we getting up there. But listen, okay, I'm going to a party after this, but this is like perfect because it doesn't take up a lot of time. I can just, you know, put the unit on, boom, and go. Or even if you're not going to a party, say, you know, you're just running late for work or something, you're like, oh my God, I need to do my hair. I forgot to, you know, do my hair. This is something that you can just put on real quick and you don't have to like flat iron it out. If your boo says, hey, what are you doing? I'm about to pull up on you. You know what I'm saying? You can easily like put this unit on, boom, and be ready to go. But like I said, I really like this color on me. It's definitely become one of my personal favorites, and I've been doing a lot of reviews on this hair. I've done like this hair like in the straight texture, I've done it in like a wavy texture, and now I have it in a jerry curly texture, which I really do like. Now this unit claims to be 24 inches long, but for me I feel like it's a little bit shorter than that. I don't know if it's because of the curl pattern or what, but this gives like 22 inch. You know, this definitely is giving 22 inch to me, because I've had like plenty of like 24 inch units. Like that's like the standard length that we usually get anyway. But for me, I just feel like this is a little bit shorter than that. So if you do order a 24 inch, this is what it's gonna come looking like. So if you want your hair to be a little bit longer, then definitely go for like 26, 28 or something longer so that you can get the length that you want, because you're not gonna get it with this one. But today I just wanted to do a very quick and easy, simple look. I didn't want to have to like do too much to it. I literally have just like this part, and that's how you know this unit is so thick, because look at the part. It's so thin. I could have definitely put like foundation on it or something, not foundation. I could have definitely have put concealer in my part to like help like make it stand out a little bit more, but I'm not mad at it, you know? It's still very natural looking. And in the front here, I kind of created like a little waterfall effect. You guys can kind of tell like this. Gives it more volume and more character rather than just being flat like that. You know, because I could have it flat like that. Now I look like I'm just wearing, I don't even know. But this way, it just looks more natural having like these little waterfall pieces in the front. And it's very easy to create. All you gotta do is get your foaming mousse, push the hair back and kind of like hold it in that area, like hold it right there. And then you can use a blow dryer or just let it dry naturally. But yeah, that's pretty much how I got that portion, and I just all in all really like this unit. I think a lot of you guys are going to like it as well, so if you're interested in checking it out, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details of this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. A lot of times, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, these videos are going up automatically. Like if this video is being uploaded today, like I didn't personally like post it today, like I have everything automated, so sometimes it takes me a while to like get to your comments because I'll forget. I'm like, oh, that video posted, oh, that video is posted. Like I be doing a million things, so I have a lot of things on automatic because I'm like a one person band, you know. I'm doing like a lot of things. You guys know I have a business, I'm doing photo shoots, you know, I'm trying to like build up like the whole modeling thing, and you know, I do my hair reviews. Like I just be doing a lot of stuff, so I have to have stuff automated. So I'm so sorry, you guys, if you guys feel neglected in the comments. I be feeling so bad. I'm like, oh my god, it's been like 5 days, I need to go respond to these comments. But I do see your comments. I do appreciate every last one of you for showing me so much love and support. You guys support me more than people that I know, so I will forever be grateful for you guys. I'm so very thankful for all of you guys, and I hope you guys have an amazing day, night, or afternoon whenever you are watching this video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.